Today, we are not going to learn anything new. What we are going to do today is going to be three things.
Is it revision basically?
Yeah, let me go one by one. First thing is we'll do is 5 minutes for tables. Always. Then, second thing will be Tasvik, Adit, Advik. Everybody here, okay? First thing we'll do is table and revision of tables. Then we will do practice of what we have learned yesterday. Meaning, we learned factorization. I will do some sums here on the board. I will ask you guys to come and do some sums on the board so that gives me a confidence that yes, whatever I taught you guys are able to follow that and you have learned it. And then we'll do a quick recap of what are the things that we'll be starting with for level 1. Okay, so I'll just talk about some of the topics and see does that sound something known to you guys or something unique, so that we will do that in the subsequent classes. Okay, alright. So, who is doing table today? Okay, come over. Come over. Be my teacher today. Alright. So, we'll do which table? 14?
No, yeah, let's do 14.
14? Okay.
Big crime punishment.
Yep,
And
sure.
guys, since you had to study your 14s.
Okay.
And if you don't, then I'll just ask you. If you don't, then you're not allowed to go to level 14. No, sorry, level 2, because level 2 we do 16 to 22. And it's going to be too hard, so you better study. Just like your science test. When there's a quiz,
Okay.
study for it.
Let's do tables. Okay, let's do tables. Let's not scare ourselves. Let's not be worried.
Yeah.
Let's do
Play
tables.
with math, don't do math.
Okay. Okay. Let's do table 14. Everybody here, Myra, Advik, everybody. So you will sing the song. They will follow you. 14 1 ja
14.
14 2 ja 28. 14 3 ja 3 42. Yep, I will kind of confuse you. Okay, so again from beginning, let's do it quick.
14 1 to 14.
28, 14 3 ja 42, 14 4 ja 56,
14
5 ja 70, 14 6 ja
84.
84,
14 7
14
is 98.
14 8 ja 104, 14 9 ja 126, 14
14 10 is 140.
14 9 ja 126. Everybody 126, yeah. Alright, and do you guys remember 13?
I remember, 13 1's at 13.
No, I will ask the questions. Let's see who remembers how much. 13 3 ja
39.
very nice. 13 5 ja
65.
65. 13 6 ja
76.
78.
Sorry, 78.
Yeah, yeah. 13 2 ja
26.
okay. 13 1 ja
13.
okay. Alright. So let's go back. Table is done. Let's go back to what we are going to do next. So I will keep calling you guys here, and then you will
Answer the question.
answer the questions, solve the sums. Let's see. Okay. Alright. Back to your seat. Thanks,
Remember,
Madam.
play
Thanks,
with
Madam.
math, don't do math.
Thanks, Madam. Thank you. Alright. Okay. Let's do something interesting. Everybody pay attention, okay? I'll make it light, but we are not fooling around. Okay? Full attention here. Sit properly, Myra. Take your pen paper. Okay? So what did we learn yesterday?
Factorization.
We learned factorization. What is factorization? Say it.
Like
Breaking a number or an expression into smaller
To
pieces.
make it like easier. I mean like GC and LCM.
No, that's it with fractions.
These are relatable things, but I think if you add a lot of it's like you're cooking vegetable, okay? You know that, okay, if you're cooking one type of vegetable, you use one spice. Other one you use other spice. If you add all the spice together, you probably end up losing the taste, yeah? So we'll not add too many things. Yep, go ahead.
So factorization is simply breaking the numbers, and once you've broken all the numbers, you play tic-tac-toe with it.
Yeah, so tic-tac-toe is the funny part of it, which makes it interesting. But yeah, in simpler terms, factorization is like breaking a number into smaller multiples, or breaking an expression into smaller multiples. When I say expression, I'm essentially talking about algebraic expressions. No confusion? A moment of silence will make you agree? Yeah? Okay. Factorization is nothing but it's a process of breaking a number
To make it easier.
number or an algebraic expression into smaller multiples.
Wait. I think I know where algebra came from.
Hmm?
I think that's a part of algebra, or like order of operations. Like
These are relatable, okay? I mean, again, you cannot say that this is anything that we learn is going to be totally isolated. You'll find a lot of things that you can relate, but when you are doing one thing, focus on that so that other things don't pulling you their side. Okay? Alright, so again, if I'm saying this, what I'm saying is these are the factors, and we can always write this as 1 into 10 or 2 into 5. Likewise, if you get any number, depending on how many numbers it can be divided with or divided by, you do factorization. Similarly, we learned that you can do factorization with algebraic expressions also. Right? If you are talking about a monomial, something like this, monomial, only one term. You can divide this by another monomial, like this. Or this. You just have to break it into smaller pieces, and then you can play tic-tac-toe
The
like this.
answer is x by the power of 2.
Yeah. So now, I want to do some test to see, are you guys able to practice? Are you guys able to solve?
So is it basically like the STAR test?
Test isn't simple. Test is a word that says, I'm
Test-
checking something.
Test is test is a word also known as review.
No.
Okay.
Test means testing your.
We are not learning English right now. When I say test, it could be of two forms. One will be a test where I'll make you all sit in a classroom. I'll give you a question paper, and I'll give you a stipulated time for solving it all. Or I'll say, okay, let's test whatever we have learned, we know or not. I'll ask you one of you to come here and solve a small sum here on the board. Okay? And it's okay to make mistakes. My one statement for everybody here in this classroom is it's okay to make mistake, but it's not okay
Ask.
to hide.
Oh,
Hide meaning you will say, okay, no, I know everything, but it's okay, I'll do it later. No. Whether you know it or you don't know it, if you have been asked to come here and do it.
Don't be embarrassed about education.
You don't have to be. You don't have to be embarrassed about not knowing something or something going wrong.
It's
Okay?
like so okay. Like, if you even say I don't know how to do this, like nobody will make like laugh or something. But if you don't like ask, then it's gonna be even worse than if you like say how you do this.
Okay. Alright. So now, Nike. Let's do it. Nike said just do it. I changed that saying let's do it.
Yeah.
Alright. So I will put a question here. Let me solve one sum for you guys, and then you guys will come here and do something. We also learned about identicals, which is like, and we learned how this formula is derived.
Easy.
We also learned about this. We also learned about, come on.
That is like a second grade problem.
We'll see.
It's just a bunch of order of operations using PEMDAS.
Okay, we will see. It's okay to say things are easy. It's more convincing if you're able to do it.
Wait, so do you minus those two parentheses? No, remember,
Multiply. If there is nothing, that means multiply.
it's PEMDAS. First you do parentheses, so you have to solve, and then
Okay.
exponents.
And I know, I think you guys already know it. So,
What? You erased it. No.
okay. What is the teacher task? Coming back here. So, let's say, let me solve one problem for you guys, okay? Or I'll solve two, okay? X squared plus 2ax plus a square divided by x plus a. This is one sum. And other sum is y square minus 20 yz plus 100 z square divided by.
That's basically easy. If the
Wait. Let me complete. We are not doing any discussion. I will do it and then I will make you guys do it also. I'll give you different sums. I'm just giving you a clue, okay?
well, can the variable have numbers at least, so it can be much easier?
We're not talking about easy things. We're just talking about solving sums, okay? So let's go step by step. Let's not try to initiate a new discussion which gets us away from what we're trying to do here. Alright? And there'll be sums which will be easy, there'll be sums that will be difficult. You'll try solving them and try getting concept. Now here, if I have to do this, what will be my approach? I will read this question, okay? Somebody says to find out the value of this divided by this. I will look at this and try, what do I see? I see something squared plus something squared plus something 2 into something by something plus something. Okay. So this looks probably something similar to a plus b whole square. Because here instead of x I have an a, or maybe a itself, instead of b I have x, whatever it is. So a plus b whole square, this is aligning with that. So basically, yes, this looks like x plus a whole square divided by x plus
No,
a.
but see, for when you're in PEMDAS, like multiplication goes first.
Let's forget PEMDAS for 2 minutes. Okay? I'm talking about identicals. Yes? This is in the numerator I see x squared plus 2ax plus a squared. It looks something like a plus b whole square formula. Right? So this is instead of a plus b, it's x plus a squared. Now, so I can write this. So this equals, instead of this I can write this. That means x plus a into x plus a divided by x plus a, because whatever we have in the denominator, that is as is x plus a whole square is x plus a into x plus a. Yeah. Now tic tac toe.
answer this.
Yeah. Answer is x plus a. Whatever is the answer, I'm saying
Wait,
I'm talking about the approach.
Tic-tac-toe for the x plus y cross, and then to the end of like the power.
What is
Would
that?
it be all the
Huh?
yeah.
Okay. So I'm saying, when we are doing this, okay, we are trying to do this in a very simple way. When you are doing the sums, don't overwhelm yourself by thinking too many things. You might go wrong. Before you start, I was thinking, okay, this is like, don't play with that. When before I started, I was thinking, okay, this looks like x plus a square. Then I thought in my mind, before I started that thing, right? Like the same formula I was saying yesterday. First, trust that you can solve it. That we all have to anyways. Then, you analyze.
Analyze it or
Yeah. Then you read the question again and again. Okay.
3 times?
Question is x square plus 2x plus a square divided by this. Okay. So the question is saying divide this by this. This is when I read the question 2 times. Now I am clear what they are wanting me to do. Then my analysis happened when I was thinking, oh, this is relatable. This is x plus a whole square. It looks like that. Then I confirmed that, and then I started that whole thing. Then just doing it. When I'm doing it, I'm not getting distracted by anything. Okay? I'm very clear. Okay, this simple maths. No fancy stuff. Right? Same approach here I will take with this guy. When I saw this question, I read this once, twice, thrice. Okay, this is y squared minus 20yz plus 100z squared. Okay, so I see one square, I see other square, and then I see something as minus. What I know is this thing, that when I have this formula, that means, is this in a similar form? Looks like. Maybe, may not be. Yeah? Here, okay, instead of A, I can put a Y. That is okay. Instead of B, I have 100z square. 100z square is, okay, 100 is what? Okay, 10 square. Z square. So I can.
You remove the zeros. Because tic-tac-toe.
Again, when I'm doing this, I'll not talk 2 steps ahead. I will only do this. I'm not worried about tic-tac-toe. I'm only worried about trying to figure out, is it actually a square? Yeah?
So, so in like the 100z squared, is the z like a number that's unknown?
No, it's a variable, right? It's a variable which is not known. When we deal with an algebraic expression, you have variables and you have constants. When you have 5 will remain 5. 5 will never become 5.15 or 6.15. 5 will remain 5 ever. That is why it is called constant. Variable is something that can vary, that can change. So you are saying x. X's value could be 1, x could be 5, x could become 25, x could become minus 10. Yeah? You can use the possible construction. Yeah, this is Alright. So, when I look at this one, wait. Yeah, so pay attention to the class, okay? So when I'm looking at this one, I see this is y squared. This is okay. I can relate this with a. This 100z squared, is this like a square or something? So I see 100 is 10 square and then z square. So I can as well write this is 100z square. So now it is, I got this as this and this as this. So this is fine. Now here, instead of a, I have a y. Instead of b, I have a 10z. Okay? 2ab. So 2 into a into b. So this is 2 into 10, 20 yz. Yeah, this is matching. So this is actually, this is in the form of a minus b whole square, where the a is y and b is 10z. So I can write this. So
but I thought it was 100z.
100
Because you're crossing off the zeros in the 100 and the 10.
100z square.
Yeah.
So 100 is what? 10 square.
Yeah, because you're crossing off the zero. Then what's the 2 square?
No, 10. 10.
It's inside the bracket.
10z. 10z.
And
Okay.
then,
Okay. So now I know what it is. I had done all my analysis, my test, checking, whatever. So I will write this as y minus 10z square divided by y minus z. I cannot divide this. This is what it is. We'll leave it here. That's okay. Okay? If the question was divided by this, then yes. Then this is y minus 10z into y minus 10z divided by y minus 10z. So tic-tac-toe. Answer is y minus 10z. Yeah? So, okay. Now,
can you go people into that?
yes, I want to know if you guys are able to do this. Okay? So, first question, fantastic.
Why can I not do it?
Into 10y square divided by 2x into 6y.
That's a kid question.
Can you try this? Let's see, it's okay. You try this. If you're not able to, I'll help you, it's okay. Can you solve this? Try this, let's see. Let's see where you are getting stuck. It's okay. It's okay.
It's not embarrassing.
No talking. Let him do it. Nobody will talk. It's okay. Let him try it. Or do one thing. Break this. Make it very simple. Can you reach here? Okay, you can write here. So break this. I'll give you one clue, okay? I'll just give you one clue. 5x square. So I know 5x square means 5 into x into x. So I'm breaking x square into x into x. Okay? Alright? So you can try breaking this guy and let's see what happens. We'll play with calculator. So 10y square, how you can break it? You can write 10 into y. Very nice. Very good. Now 2x. Can you break this? It becomes 2 into x, 2 times x. Okay. Very nice. 2 into x. Okay, so write it little differently. Okay, this is
Write
what
with
you
a
say
curve.
like this. So that's why you would. Okay, then 6y. You can break it. 6y 6 times y. Yeah. Do it. When you do it, then only you will do it. Now you can play tic-tac-toe. You can cut similar simple things. No. One by one. That's the trick. Okay? I'll show you. 10 into x into, sorry, this is 10y square. So this is 10 into y into y. Here, when you do tic-tac-toe, you will cut similar things. So you have 2 into x. So this x and one of the x you can cut. Okay? Now you have 6y, this y and one of the y. 1y. Okay? You give me 1y, I will give you 1y. You can cut. You cannot cut 2 y's for 1 y. Okay? Now, here, look at 10. This can be written as 2 into 5. Right? So I can remove 10. I can write this as 2 into 5. And y also remains as is. So here, this 2 is also gone. Now what all is left? 5 is left. X is also left. Then 5 is left.
And then one of the ways.
One of the y is also left. Very nice. What is left in the denominator?
6.
Okay. Anything else? No? Okay. This is it. So now you can multiply number with a number. This becomes 5 into 5, 25 into x into y. That's it. Divided by whatever you have here. There's nothing that you can cut now. There's no TikTok you can play.
Can I go next?
Yes, I will ask you. I'll ask everyone to come here.
Can you give me a ninth grade problem at the same?
I will give you a problem that I have taught you, okay? So it's okay. Let's not rush. I want you guys to grow up, but grow up in a more, I call it organic manner.
Baby steps.
Yep. Learn, practice, become champion, then you move forward. Okay? Good job, Tasvik. So every time you come here, round of applause for Tasvik. Okay? That's it. So why so? Because I'm not only teaching you guys maths, I'm trying to get you guys the confidence that yes, you have to do something, I will do it. If I know it, I will do it right. If I don't, I will make mistake. That's okay. I want everybody in this class. and the kids who are going to join next to have the confidence that yes, I will do it. So don't be afraid of doing something in front of people. It's okay. Okay? Alright. Now R.
Yes.
Divided by x plus 1 square. Okay, this sum I've given you, and you might make mistake. It's okay to make mistake, but don't rush. I have time.
That looks kind of easy. Like I can like write all this. Like it'll be really.
Do it, and then I'll see. But before you do it, same approach. Look at the question. Think about it. Make your mind. Yes. No. Read it. Analyze it. You're looking at this as one part. This is another part. This is another part. This is another part. Look at it. Be sharp, and then write. Okay.
Too much.
Okay, everybody here, look at this question and keep analyzing, keep coming up with your approach. If I see something not being right, I'll not explain it. I will want one of you to come and do that. If two people are not able to do it right, then only I'll jump in. Okay.
That's long.
Okay. Is this correct? Is this correct? I am not playing. I want everybody to be very serious in the class. Okay? Alright? Okay, I will not give any clue, but this is not done yet.
Yeah.
You want to take it? You want to take a punt?
No.
No, it's okay. It's okay. See, whether you do it, he does it, she does it, he does it, I do it. Everybody will learn.
Like, I just read it over now. You take that. Can I try? No.
Wait. Let him complete. Once he says he's done. No clue, no hint. Let's see, it's okay. See, it comes with practice, okay? Anything that you learn. Okay, no, wait. No. I will let you guys do it. Till I'm convinced. What is the answer? Tell me the answer here.
What's the final why?
Wait.
You're not helping.
No disturbing. Maya, it's not drawing class. Okay?
I took all of this because I don't feel class this. So it's only this number.
Okay. This is not done yet. There's something more to be done.
But it's so perfect.
And no, this is not done yet. I will show you guys anyways. But very well done. Well attempted. Let's see if somebody wants to give it one more try before I try solving it. You want to try it? Come
Even
on.
if you don't solve it, I get 2 points.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
I think.
No disturbing, okay? When somebody is doing it, I'm not anybody else disturbed. So that another person who is doing it can think. You can use this one. Otherwise. Welcome. The class is not over yet. You have 20 minutes before the class gets over, okay? You will the duster. Yeah. You call it duster, right? That one for rubbing it?
We call it dry erase.
Or dry erase, yeah.
Dry erase.
Yes. Okay, you continue. Yeah. Okay.
That's the answer.
Huh?
That's the answer.
Pretty close.
But not.
Pretty close.
But is it correct?
Pretty close.
Perfect. Good attempt.
Okay. Now, I must give credit to Arav and Adrik both for making the attempt. Because math is about doing practice, making the attempt, and then thinking about it. If you have all these three ingredients in place, you will do it. If today you made a small mistake, tomorrow you will fix it. But your ingredients have to be in place. Let me give the feedback quickly. When Arav was doing it, he broke it into smaller pieces. But then, when he was breaking it, he probably lost the brackets in between. And that is where he went wrong. Okay? But here, you started very well. Very well. Okay? And I am very impressed that you got it very close to the finish line. You made a very small mistake. You actually thought about the question, okay? And again, I'm not proving anybody right or wrong. It's about how you think about the question. Probably Adri got a little more time to think about it. So when he was looking at this, he knew, okay, this is a plus b whole square. That's what he did here.
So no.
Yeah?
Like, do you have to let me tell you?
Okay. So when he thought about it, he said, okay, this is looking like a plus b whole square. So that's what he put here. Then this part, he kept as is. He did not disturb the brackets. So that way he was able to visualize it and he was able to control it also. Here, he had a plus b whole square anyways. So he could do tic-tac-toe. He saw it. This is a square, this is a square, this is x plus y. Same thing. There's tic-tac-toe. This is where he lost a little bit of it. This is a square minus b square. A square minus b square, if you remember, it is a plus b into a minus b. Because if it is a minus b into a minus b, that is a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. But this is a square minus b square. A square minus b square, as we have learned as the formula for integrals, it is a into b, a plus b into a minus b.
Oh wait, see.
So this is only one small thing. But I'll give you credit for coming this far. So very well done till here. Small mistake, this will get fixed by practice. Okay? Same thing for Arab. You started, you are comfortable doing it. Only problem you probably introduced was you just took out the bracket when you were not supposed to. That is where you lost track of it. So okay. So that's what we'll focus on. And thank you Advik. Thank you Advik. Thank you Arab. Okay? Well done. So now keep that formula in mind. There's 4 things. Trust. Any sum you see on the board. Okay, I can do it. Then you will read the question multiple times. Here this question was to read. Okay, this is one part, this is one part, this is one part, this is one part. You get your brain ready to work on this. Once you have read this question, you understood what is to be done, then you analyze, as I said, that okay, when you look at this, your analysis should say, oh, this is a plus b whole square. Oh, this is a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. Okay. This is when, before you start doing it, you will know, okay, this is a square minus b square. Okay. Now I have a fair idea how I want to do it. Then Nike, just do it. And while doing it, be extra careful. This is a small but a very critical mistake. If you make a mistake like this, your answer will go wrong and then you'll say, dang it. Yeah? Alright. Cool? So, Advik, Arab and Kashmir have done the sums.
Now for Myra.
Do you have water?
I'm sorry?
Water?
I'm sorry?
Do you have water?
Yeah. Alright. How much time do we have for Myra to solve the sum? Okay. She has 30 minutes.
13 minutes?
13 minutes.
30 minutes? For
1 3. 1
Oh,
3.
38.
1 3.
So that means.
Okay. Who can decide a sum for Myra?
Pi?
It's easy.
Okay.
Give the first 10 digits of pi.
Huh?
Give the first 10
I got a
digits
good
of
one
pi.
for her.
Wait. X squared.
Okay.
Can I write it down?
Write it down. Let's see. If I find the question,
A little bit tricky.
That's not done yet.
let's see what it is.
Unable to solve that.
So it's a little bit. That's the easiest I got.
Now I'm just checking if this will. Okay.
Remember, math is easy. Play with.
Okay. No, I will check. I will check.
How is she supposed to solve
I'll check whether this is a valid question for what we're trying to solve here or not. Y AB squared. This is what? This is.
If that is wrong, can I make it
This is what is this one?
5 squared?
5 square. Okay, plus y into y squared.
No. It's y into x y squared.
Y into x y squared. Okay, that is. Okay. No, this actually the problem with this one is even if I try solving this right, I will not be able to solve. It will remain as it is. I'll tell you why.
Oh yeah, it's like in the simplest form. Can I?
No.
So, can I
Y,
make my equation
x
now?
squared y squared.
It's supposed to be hard.
5ab squared
that was
into
easy.
5. No, I don't think she'll be able to solve it because there's nothing to
Basically
solve.
understanding like
There's nothing to solve.
that was the answer.
I'll make my problem now.
Okay, so this one will not be able to solve because there's nothing to solve. Even it will get stuck here. Okay, so one attempt for athlete. Otherwise, I will give a question to Myra.
What is that? Swirling?
Wait. No. When one person is doing something, second person will not disturb.
While he's writing, I'm going to read my atlas that I got from the where are you from in this map?
In this map,
Yeah.
I'm from this part. You see a place called Bihar?
Yeah. Dude,
That's
D.
Bihar, B-I-H-A-R. That's the name of the state.
Oh, P. Tar.
Bihar, B-I-H-A-R.
I-H-A-R?
Uh-huh. If you can
This
find
might
a...
be a little easy for
I
him.
don't think he's
I'm just thinking. Let me see.
So we have to find like, that's like in the north. No, that's in the south.
Is it
North,
solvable?
south and, sorry, that's the northwestern part.
Because see, if you would have made this as,
East is
see,
never
if I
east,
add the
like,
things, okay,
yeah,
this is x
northeast.
squared plus y squared plus xy
It's
squared.
never east.
This is y squared plus x squared. So this becomes 2x squared plus
I think I got a better view.
2y squared plus
Oh, where's that better view gone?
xy squared
Oh.
divided by x plus y squared.
Do you know what petroleum is? Do you know what petroleum is?
Still possible.
Petroleum is like
I'm just
hard
checking.
gas.
So this becomes 2x squared plus 2y
Tungsten
squared
is a type of metal.
plus
Lead,
2xy.
okay, don't worry about this.
Okay.
Don't worry about this. See?
So this is not possible
You
actually.
has-
Ah.
Because this is a numerator, this is a denominator. There is no way you can divide it. Okay, alright. So let me give something which is doable.
Where are you coming from?
Okay, everybody here, everybody. After the class, we will discuss. Okay? So, the sum for Myra is,
Make it hard.
No, it's medium.
okay. That's fine.
Make it something for college students.
Okay? X,
You,
okay. I will do something that is doable, okay? X plus 3y into x squared minus 2xy
that is kindergarten.
plus no. I have seen how everybody does, okay?
It's like our test time to see like
X minus y into
Oh, can I do that?
x plus y into x plus 3y.
Can I do it?
This one is for Myra. She has 10 minutes. No, I'll come. You guys will get enough chance. You guys have your test coming up in January.
It's
Don't
so
worry.
easy. I want to do this problem.
Ow.
We are not doing a movie here, okay?
This is
He's
not
rubbing cushion.
Huh?
He's rubbing that alley with her on.
Let's see.
I don't get it.
Huh? You don't get it? Why?
It is easy.
Ow.
Everybody, no. Why? I want to know why.
If she doesn't get it, can I explain it for her?
Can I do it for you?
Do it for college.
Think about it. Use the four formulas. Read the question, analyze it, then do it.
It's tic-tac-toe from the start. I can't follow.
Everybody quiet. Everybody quiet. There is no rush. Nobody is proving you right or wrong. Just do it. It's math.
It's so fun. I want to see the map. This is called an atlas. An atlas with all the maps.
Yeah, look at that. It's like
First on page, India is 199. You can give me two. This is called
Arab and Tasik. Better close that for now. Close that for now. I want everybody to think about it. Keep looking at the sums.
I already got the answer.
No jumping the gun. I want everybody to do it. X squared. Everybody. Listen to me.
She doesn't get it. Can I explain it to her?
We'll come to that. I'm just letting everybody think.
Not done
Because if people don't think, they'll not do it.
yet. I have more.
Huh? Yes, ma'am. No, this will be dangerous also.
Yeah, because it's so hot. If she doesn't get it, can I explain her? Could I do it?
I'll come to that. See, you guys can, some of you will be able to solve it, some of you will not be able to solve it. I have to, wait. See, in the class, if I see somebody not able to do it, I will have to find out why. It could be because somebody is not paying attention.
Distraction.
It could be because somebody is has not understood the
Because
concept.
someone was drawing when she was not supposed to.
Okay. Okay.
Well, time out.
Do it. Do the sum. I'm more interested in watching you guys do the sum.
In the class, can I be Mr. Bean? Like, time out.
I really blame you.
Everybody calm down. Everybody calm down. Everybody. Okay? You are going wrong. Let me stop you here. You'll waste your time.
How do I do it?
Okay. No, I'm telling you, you are going wrong. That's why I stopped you. Okay?
Okay.
No, wait.
How do I do it?
Wait. I'll let you solve. Let me first understand the problem here. Tell me one thing. First thing I always say is, have the trust that I can solve it. I'm assuming everybody in this class has that trust. Okay?
Yep.
Second part. Okay?
No, I didn't.
Now, read the question again and again.
I thought it was Emma.
Please. Everybody. Okay? Read the question again and again. What does the question say? X plus 3y multiplied by x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Okay? This is in bracket. X plus y multiplied by this. Divided by x minus y multiplied by x plus y multiplied by x plus 3y.
Now can I explain it?
I'm coming to that. I'll give you a chance. Okay? So, I'm reading the question one more time. This is what I have to do when I'm solving this up. X plus 3y multiplied by this divided by this. When I read this question again and again, this should become very easy to me. Okay, this is, I have to multiply this by this, divide this by this.
Now can I do it?
Okay, you read the question one more time. Can you do it now?
Can I do it now?
Is it giving you any clue? No story. Math is about doing it. So if you have understood this, then you should analyze. Okay, what is this telling me? What is this telling me? What is this telling me? That is the analysis part of it.
Wait, now can I do it? Please?
Okay. You want to do it? Yeah.
First,
Let's see what Advik explains here. Okay.
first I saw the elimination. Bye-bye.
So see, this is what I was saying. When you are reading the question again and again, you easily found that yes, this can be eliminated. Same thing, yeah?
Conversion.
Now your question becomes much simpler. Write the question first.
Now time for conversion. Conversion.
Do your homework, remember that.
Sit down. See, this YouTube is not for playing. I see a lot of YouTubers making videos for keeping people busy. This is not for that. This is for you guys to practice, okay? So pay attention to that. Sit down, all of sit down.
Why can I not do it?
You can do it.
Yay!
Every class, everybody will get a chance, okay? And trust me, every time when somebody comes here on the board, I get to know who has been practicing how much, right?
My dad printed out some worksheets about this.
Okay, now give it to me. Okay? One last time, okay? Sit down. Class is not done yet. You finish your water first. Sit down and finish your water. Class, sit down. Make sure that you're not touching your books with your feet.
Oh yeah, I remember.
It's not a good thing.
Do you know the
This
story?
one goes in here.
It's the story of that god named the mathematician god or something. What was that god of studying again? What's the god of studying?
What is it? Who is the god of studies? Saraswati.
Oh yes, that is supposed to be. If you touch
Goddess Saraswati.
see
You would have seen a goddess with a.
Yes.
Yeah.
what
Okay.
is she? The god of wealth. Does she have glasses?
Everybody back to the seats. Back to the seats.
Does she have glasses on?
Hmm?
Does that god have glasses?
No.
No, none of the god have glasses. They used to eat healthy stuff. Their eyes were better. They were never watching iPad. Okay, alright. So a very serious message to everybody here.
Tell you right.
Now. Oh, wait. If somebody has to give the feedback, that is only teacher. You guys don't have to give feedback to each other. Okay? Alright. Here, one thing I can clearly see that you guys are not doing practice.
Hey, I was. My dad gave me some worksheet.
No, but I would not really care much about who is claiming what they have done. That reflects here when you come to the board. Yeah? Okay, so Advik went very close. Again a minor mistake. You did not get a chance, that's okay. You will get a chance in the next class. Don't worry about that.
But that was such an easy problem.
No. See, that's what I'm saying. Here in the class, you are getting only 10 minutes to do some sums, okay? But at home, you have to at least practice for some time. And you have to do some sums. Here, Advik made a very good observation, okay? So that's why I would want everybody to pay full attention in the class. Myra needed, okay? Here, this is one thing that Advik observed very quickly after he saw this one. That yes, this is a case of tic-tac-toe. This is a multiplication, this is a multiplication, this is gone, this is gone. What we are left with is x squared minus 2x squared plus y squared. Divided by x minus y into x plus y. Here, what mistake Advik did was, he did not pay close attention to the things, okay? When you, after doing this, what Advik and Maya should have done is, write this equation one more time. Whatever is gone is gone. What we are left with is what we have to write. Okay? If Advik, you would have written this equation, that okay, after this and this is gone, this is what we are left with. Then you would have not written this is x squared, x plus y squared. Okay? This is when the problem started. This is not x plus y whole square, this is x minus y whole square.
I don't get it.
Huh?
I don't get it.
Because a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square.
There's a minus.
Yeah? Just go open the garage door. Okay? So, that is where